an unassigned seat, and a few free drinks in first class. Normally, this is just a minor policy violation. But when two intoxicated passengers decide to confront the flight crew, they trigger a chain of poor decisions. How many opportunities to walk away will they ignore before a minor issue escalates into a criminal arrest?
I need to speak to you in the front. Listen, listen.
I refuse.
Listen what's going to happen. Listen to what's going to happen. If you guys do not deboard the aircraft now, I am going to deplane this aircraft and you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand that? You understand that?
We're speaking to you and
I need a lawyer.
Okay. Like I said, jail. Do you understand that?
She threw one of the tablets. They were using a tablet, someone, and she just slammed it. Quick question. So we have to deplane everyone if you guys
If they refuse, I have to deplane the aircraft. Yeah. Hello.
Señor, ¿cómo está? Bien, tengo dos pasajeros que estaban en primera clase, no comply, this is the captain of the flight. Yes, sir. Two passengers stand in first class. Wrongfully, they accepted the drinks, they started drinking, and then they were told to go back to their seats, but they were already intoxicated. Okay. So now I'm asking them to please come to the front so I can speak to them. They're refusing to come.
So they're not flying, right?
They're not flying. They're not flying.
I'm going to watch you. Let them know they need to deboard the aircraft. If they do not, we're going to deplane the aircraft, and then we're going to forcibly remove them.
Oh, thank you. Very good.
Thank you guys very much.
No, it's departing. They refuse? All right. Deboard the whole aircraft. We got to deboard the aircraft.
They're refusing to come off?
They're refusing to come out. Okay. Go ahead. Come on in. They're all the way in the back.
I went there and told them, this is the third time I asked you to please to talk to the family. And this is the fourth time I'm telling you I'm not coming up. So, it's just that they don't want us. I have to first ask them. If they don't, then we did.
Once the flight crew decides to deplane the entire aircraft, the point of no return has officially been crossed. The two passengers' refusal to leave their seats is no longer a simple customer service dispute. It is now a major incident causing direct disruptions for the airline and hundreds of others. The window for negotiation has closed.
Hey, Pablo, let them know that they do not deboard. They are going to be arrested for trespass. You know, I'm just going to give them the verbal warning myself.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
For what?
Hi.
I need to speak to you in the front.
Listen.
I refuse.
Listen what's going to happen. Listen to what's going to happen. If you guys do not deboard the aircraft now, I am going to deplane this aircraft and you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Do you understand that? You understand that?
We're speaking to you and
I need a lawyer.
Okay. Like I said, we're going to deboard this aircraft and I'm going to take you to jail. Do you understand that? Okay, she understands it.
morning.
Oh, Lord. Thank you, gentlemen. No worries. I appreciate you trying. Would you like to be boarding or would you like me to?
Would you please sign on?
No. So basically, that your belongings will be aircraft momentarily. You're going to get back to the overhead compartments. Once you're all aboard, we'll take that. You're going to be over at decks and everything. That's it.
She's going to be at 39.
Yeah, we're going to right there.
Just right there. It's two of them? No, they're both going because he was next to her and he heard the same speech.
Do you request this moment? Yo sé. Thank you very much.
I'm still going to jail. I already told her. I warned her. She didn't get up. She's going to jail.
He's still lying. It's happening. What you're saying?
A continuous loop of non-compliance has pushed the situation into a deadlock. By ignoring a second ultimatum and rejecting their final chance to walk off voluntarily, the two passengers have shut the door on a peaceful resolution. Now, officers have no choice but to physically remove them.
Things are jogging to fill out costs. Yes, to remember.
Okay, thank you.
There's two bags.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
You'll be able to tell. We're going to put
Yes, yes.
Carlos, Chelsea.
Yeah, I'm going to start now.
Yeah. Don't beat the ladies back. Thank you. Yeah.
So now what happens? We're all going to miss our connections. But if we only have a 30-minute connection and there's no more
We're gonna have
flights,
to rebook you over there.
1 minute at the because I can stay at a hotel.
Where we get this? How we do that?
I'm like 99% sure those are their bags.
Service guys.
This is the reality of a selfish decision. Hundreds of innocent passengers, already tired from long travel, now have to gather their bags and deplane just because of two stubborn individuals. What started as a minor issue has snowballed into a massive inconvenience for everyone on board.
No, wait. Good luck.
Thank you. Thanks. No, they're going to jail. She was supposed to get out before we deported. Yeah. No, one of the ones next to her, I don't know which one.
22? Oh, I saw her, but...
Once she passes, hold these people back so we can take care of business here. And...
Hey, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck with that.
Sí, ¿qué pasó? ¿Ah?
Van a bajar el avión por un segundo.
Hay que bajar por un segundito y vas a volver a montar.
Make sure you draw and look at that, please.
Yeah, I see her. Who's the other one? A male?
Yes.
Oh, it's two females?
Okay, now we're ready. ready. We're ready. We saved the whole plane. We don't want everyone to
Exit.
come.
She's the other one? Come on.
We'll get that in a second. Walk out.
Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
Can I? Like, yeah. Can we just
Clap your
save the
hands.
whole plane?
Clap your hands.
Like, it's not that dramatic.
Your chance was in the beginning when we spoke to you. Okay? That's your chance to save.
When I told you to exit the aircraft, that's when you were supposed to exit.
No, when you told me to call your attorney, this is what happened.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. And like, attorney is gonna hit you up. So why are you so?
Hold up.
And if I said no, then what? That's my fault. We were gonna be able to still go on our flight. We were still gonna be able to fly after.
Hold on, huh?
Because I was not sitting in the.
As the handcuffs click into place, legal consequences officially begin. Every stern warning from the officers was ignored, and now this outcome isn't forced upon them. It is the direct result of their own repeated choices to refuse cooperation.
Right seat? You're doing that because I was not sitting in the right
I have it on
seat?
video. I literally have everything recorded.
All right, come on.
They're just doing their job.
Come on, hon.
They're doing their part. Oh, yeah,
All right, so I need somebody to get me the info on the flight attendant, the pilot, and this gentleman. I need a female for a pat down.
I'm sorry.
I need a female for a pat down.
That is
I have it on video, and I literally have the guy saying they told me to tell you that.
no, that's good because we're good. I'm getting kicked out because I didn't sit in the right fucking seat.
Mama, get up. Get up. Come on, get up.
Oh, sorry. I just had to.
I need to pee.
I had to do a little yoga on the way to jail. Oh my god! I keep. Sorry. There we go.
Even in handcuffs, their giggling and jokes about doing yoga or needing to pee show they still don't grasp the gravity of the situation. This decision to challenge authority until the very last moment has stripped away any chance of leniency on the scene.
Sonia. And that's just what
My car's over here, so.
Hey, don't sit in the wrong seat. Don't sit.
No, I told these guys to get it for me. The guys over there, I told them, get me the info on the pilot, the flight attendant. Who else is over there?
Yeah, I gotta go back and get it.
Actually, I need to put my mail address.
Hey, don't sit in the wrong seat because you'll get arrested.
Put my mail.
Hey, don't sit in first class because you'll get arrested. Sonia.
Let's go down, exit door 11, and I'm parked in 12. Airport 3202. Could I get a female officer to 15 at lower door 12, reference pat down? Let's do the elevator.
The two passengers are escorted straight to a Miami jail, facing charges of trespassing and disorderly conduct. Ahead of them are criminal records, heavy fines, and permanent no-fly lists, a steep price to pay for repeatedly rejecting the easy ways out they were offered.
You look hot though.
Case number 8683. 8683. 131735 and show arrival. 1720. Airport is going.
No, it's not even that. You need to see love for the house and Karen was like complaining and that's all it's like.
That green and white right there. Where's your ID?
For my purse?
You have it on you?
Why would I have it on?
No, you don't have your purse on you?
You guys arrested me.
Your purse was in the overhead?
Yes. No, my purse was right there on the floor. They keep my purse on the floor.
Wait, I'll just ask you for your...
Oh, okay. I'm like, what do you mean? I hope it's in there now.
Gotta get this bag out of here. Let's see. Thank you. Whoever was behind us, Augustine.
Do I have to sit back here really with my hands?
Yeah, turn sideways so it doesn't
like
hurt.
that?
Put your shoulder on the seat and your knees to one side or the other. It's a lot more comfortable.
But they let one go in the back before.
What?
I'm not aggressive.
No, I have to put them in the back.
I've been back here without them.
Okay. It's not going to come off until we get to the jail. I can't take them off. It's
In
not gonna
Miami?
happen. In Miami, it doesn't come off until you get to the jail. I'll put them in the front.
Hey girl! I miss you!
Let me start the car.
When a minor policy violation is met with a continuous refusal loop, ego often overrides reason. By repeatedly ignoring clear warnings and rejecting simple off-ramps, individuals trap themselves in an escalation cycle. What begins as a minor dispute quickly hardens into a criminal arrest, showing how easily control slips away when we refuse to step off.